Aloha everyone, Kara and Mike here.
Aloha.
We just had a lot of fun at the DiMartini Breakthrough Seminar in Oahu, and we're looking forward to doing DiMartini for groups this weekend. If you're joining us, we look forward to seeing you. If you're thinking about joining us, it's really quite nice. You know, once in a while when you spend a lot of time with somebody, they can get a little annoying, or there's things that you could be ecstatic about. But it's good to balance those perceptions out, because if you get too annoyed or too happy about something, then you're really disappointed when it doesn't come up, or you're wasting time together because being annoyed isn't quite as fun as just being grateful for them. So come to our class if you have anyone you've kicked out of your life, if you've canceled culture, if you have a pattern in your life you feel really stuck. These people love class the most. We look forward to seeing you. If you're wondering if class is right for you, give me an email. Aloha!